In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see all pending invites in Microsoft Teams. This is really useful if you manage a community or group and you want to quickly review who's still waiting to join. Maybe you've sent a lot of invitations or people have requested access and you want to approve or decline them in one place. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently manage your pending members. First, open Microsoft Teams and make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your different areas like chats, meetings, and communities. Look for the option labeled Communities, usually found on the left-hand side, or in your navigation bar. Go ahead and click on Communities. This section is where your shared groups and community spaces live, and it's the area that allows you to control membership and invitations. Once you're inside the Communities view, select the community you want to work with, the one where you're expecting pending invites. When that community is open, look toward the top or near the community name for the 3 dots icon, often called More Options. It's a small button with 3 vertical or horizontal dots. Click on those 3 dots. This opens a menu with additional settings and controls that aren't visible by default. From the menu that appears, find and click on Manage Community. This will take you to the management page for that specific community. Here, you'll see different tabs or sections related to how your community is set up, such as members, settings, and sometimes permissions. This is essentially your control center for that community. On the Manage Community screen, look for a section or tab labeled Pending Members. Go ahead and click on Pending Members. This is where Microsoft Teams gathers all the people who have been invited but haven't been fully added yet, or users who have requested to join and are waiting for your approval. Once you're on the Pending Members page, you can review the list of users, check who's still waiting, and decide what actions to take based on your community rules or preferences. From here, you can come back regularly to keep your membership up to date and make sure no one is stuck waiting longer than necessary. And that's all you need to do to see all pending invites in Microsoft Teams.